Let's say you don't want your desktop to become cluttered up with screenshots. You just want to take a quick one-time screenshot and paste it into a text or an email or a Word document. This video is for you. Anyone coming to Mac from Windows, you're probably missing this one. It's easy to do in Windows, a little harder on the Mac. It's a crazy keyboard combination. It's Command, Control, Shift, and then either 3 or 4. I'm going to talk about those differences and show you a couple of hot tips and shortcuts as well. So if you want to do a screenshot of the whole desktop, it's Command, Control, Shift, and then 3. Then you can go to an email or whatever, click in the body, Command V to paste. If you want to do just an area, it is Command, Control, Shift, and then 4. And then you drag a box around the thing that you want to capture. And then maybe go into Messages. Again, it's Command V to paste that thing that you just captured. Hot tip, if you want to do, let's say it's an alert, a message, something like that, you do Command, Control, Shift, 4 and let go of all of those. And then you press the space bar and you can actually click on a window that you want to capture. So if you click on this, then we'll say cancel here. Again, you go to Messages, paste, you'll get a really nice cutout of just that message with a nice drop shadow and everything. If you want to change the default behavior of screenshots to always go into your clipboard, you do Command Shift 5. This brings up the screenshot tool. I talk about this in another video. You just go to Options here and you Save to Clipboard. Make sure that one is selected. And then make sure that Remember Last Selection is selected as well. That just means when you do this screenshot, it's going to remember that it was the clipboard for every future screenshot. I hope you enjoy your newfound screenshot abilities, and I wish you a clean desktop forevermore. Boom, Mac Epiphany. If you found this helpful and you want some private Mac coaching with me or someone from my team, just head to macandhome.com/booking. We work with people all over the world. We'll help you with whatever is on your Mac problems list, and you will never feel judged or shamed for whatever mess you are in. I actually don't know what forevermore means. I hope it is the right use of that word. Publish.